Hello everybody, once again with a new video, and in this video I am going to talk about vision boards. And vision boards are so important if you want to be a successful person in lesser time. Okay, we are going to be a successful person for sure, 110%. Nobody will be unsuccessful or unemployed in future. Definitely we should think in this way, we should think in a positive way. Okay, but I want to ask you a question. If you want to be a successful person, won't you follow all those things that every successful people are doing? You do, I think. You would do. I mean, you will definitely follow all those things that every successful people are doing. Every successful person has an idea or a vision that where he want to go. Okay, he want to go in the future. So it's really important to make vision boards. And if I tell you, I'm very fond of all these things, vision boards, and all the energy that is the reality of our life. It's all about energy, like how you feel inside your mind, inside your heart. What do you feel with your body? What do you feel with your all the stuff? Okay, so energy doesn't lie. And the thing is, last year, I think in 2022 I made my first vision board. But that time I used to make vision boards on my phone and laptop. Last year in November 2024 I made my first ever physical vision board. I never made that before, so I'm having a physical vision board with some photographs or paper, physical photographs. Okay, so it's really important when you are making a vision board, when you are having a vision board, that time you have a clear idea every single day. Because when you watch, when you see the vision board, that time you are reframing, or you are just running a picture. That time you are running a picture in your mind, that where you want to go, or what is your true, what is your goal. Because in this era where we all are watching reels, consuming too much content, too much media, we are influencing by other people, and we shouldn't do this thing. If you want to be a successful person, you have to have a clear vision, clear goal in your life. Okay, so vision board will help you to be stuck. Vision board will help you to be stick with a single goal in your life. And I made some goals or a vision board, and it really helping me. And guys, if I tell you about my results, so I got my first 10k subscribers in less than, I think, 2 months. Because in November I had just 3000 subscribers, and when I made this vision board, I was just continuously thinking throughout the day about my vision board picture. Because I was seeing that picture, and I was thinking throughout the day, like, yes, this is my goal. And I was feeling that feeling, I was feeling that emotion in my body, in my mind, that yes, I deserve that. Just say this thing. Okay, so now I want to tell you like how you can make a vision board. But making a vision board, there is a certain things that you should follow. We are making vision boards with pictures that we want to have in the future, like all big things. Like I also put some pictures of big things that I am going to have in the future. But I realized this thing, that you should make vision boards for just a year. Okay, you can have the idea in your mind, like where you want to go in the future, okay, in the next 5 years or 10 years. But make vision boards for just a year, because that time you can manifest all those things in a more faster way. Okay, now I will tell you how you can make a vision board. So number one thing, you can use this app called Pinterest. Pinterest is a wonderful app. There you can find any kind of pictures, like your YouTube, like about your YouTube, like about your English speaking, like about your physical ideal body, like about your all dreams that you want to have in your future. So you can collect all the pictures from Pinterest, and after that download that pictures, and you can use Canva app for making some pictures, put some pictures, arrange some pictures in a like make a collage. Okay, so do these things. I did same things. And when you done with your, for all the photographs, you arranged that photographs, after that you can print that out. Okay, when you print that out, you can buy a notice board, or you can buy any kind of thing, or a board, cardboard, and there you can pinch or stick your all the photographs. And in the morning, in the evening, whenever you feel negativity inside your body, that time you should go and see your vision board. When you look at your vision board, you are making a belief, you are making a clear picture in your mind that yes, this is your reality and this is you are. So making vision board will help you for sure. What I said, collect pictures from Pinterest, make a collage from all the pictures, rearrange all these things, okay, that you are going to have, and in the end of this year, okay, that you are going to have in the end of this year. Okay, so collect all those pictures, make a collage and print that out. And after printing that out, you can put all the pictures, you can stick all the pictures on a cardboard or a whiteboard, or not whiteboard, I mean on notice board. Okay, I'll meet you in the next video. Actually, making vision board truly changed my life, and I feel that this is so important to speed up your process, and get results more faster. Okay, so this was all about vision boards. Hope you will make your vision boards, and if you had any kind of situation or experience with vision boards, that time you can let me know in the comment box. I'll check them out and reply your comment. Okay, I'll meet you in the next video for sure. Till then, bye bye.